At this stage, we want to model pattern or condition like if and else condition. Okay, this is our if-Elseif-Else condition. Okay, when temperature is less than 20, our heater will be turned on and cooler will be turned off. When temperature above 40, our cooler will be turned on and heater will be turned off, and default condition will be both the heater and the cooler is turned off. Okay, so I'm taking a new model here and browsing library for Stateflow chart, and this is our Stateflow. You can see here, this is Stateflow. Okay, and this is Stateflow chart. I'm taking this to Simulink and double clicking on this, and this will create a blank Stateflow, okay, canvas, and you will find if-Else-If-Else condition by right clicking on this blank canvas, and you have to take add pattern and decision, and this is our if-Elseif and else condition. Okay, so I'm taking description temperature control. Okay, and if condition when temperature is less than 20, okay, our heater will be turned on, heater equals 1, and our cooler will be turned off. Okay, and else if condition will be when temperature is above 40, okay, and our cooler will be turned on and heater will be turned off. Okay, and else condition will be heater will be turned off and cooler will be turned off. Okay, so that's all we need, and click OK. This will make our Stateflow model here. Okay, and you can see here it's created. Okay, when temperature is less than 20, our heater is turned on and cooler is turned off. When temperature above 40, our cooler is turned on and heater is turned off, and by default condition heater and cooler is turned off. Okay, and you have to go modeling and symbol panel, and you can see our temperature is the proposed type is input data and cooler and heater is output data. It's okay. I'm resolving the symbol here and going back to Simulink again, and okay, and I'm taking a stair generator block as a input of temperature. Okay, this is stair generator block, and we need a scope. Okay, and our scope input will be 3. Okay, and I'm setting this as 3, and layout will be like 3. Okay, click OK, and this is our cooler and this is heater, and this is our input temperature. Okay, so this is our temperature and this is cooler and this is our heater. Okay, and stair generator temperature will time will be 0 1 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, and amplitude as temperature will be like 50 40 20 15 15 40, and then finally 50. Okay, now close this up, and we have to stop time is 6 is enough. Okay, now run this model. Okay, it's run, and open the scope, and I'm taking style again here to temperature, and it will be 3. Okay, and 2, this is our cooler will be like red, and 3, this is our heater. Okay, okay, now you can see when temperature is 50, this is above 40. Okay, as you can see, our cooler is turned on and heater is turned off. Okay, and where temperature is below 40, it's okay, and our heater and cooler both are turned off. Okay, and when temperature is below 20, as you can see here, this is below 20 and our cooler is obviously turn off and the heater is turned on. Okay, and when temperature is in between 20 and 40, as you can see, our both cooler and the heater is turned off. So this is the way we can use if else if else condition in Stateflow.